Is what we're after. I mean, I did a little video, but it was mostly me talking about my plants.
Was it?
Yeah, if you remember. But you told me that you learned the trade of plastering in Ireland, you say, yes?
No,
Sorry.
London, Milton Keynes.
Oh, Milton Keynes, I didn't know you were there. You
Yeah. And then I went down to, I went across to Ireland.
Then you went to Ireland. I'm with you.
Passed me qualification.
So you had to qualify down in Milton Keynes first, and then you went, and you worked in Ireland a while then?
Yeah.
Oh, right. Crikey. I mean, there's a technique, there are secrets to the trade, because they always say no one should ever try plastering themselves. It's you know, a recipe for tears. And it's just, yeah, I mean, just watching you do it is just amazing. Are you learning it as well, Dylan?
Yeah.
You're watching at the moment. Oh, yes. Yeah. People make things look so easy when they're skilled. Yes. But I mean, the job you did on my roof tiles, I mean, you're not a roof tiler, but you're the third person, and the others were all claiming to be roofers. Yeah, I mean, honestly, you saw the mess.
Yeah.
I was getting cold callers all the time, telling me that they could fix it. 4 tiles, £1,000 they were, I told you, terrible. And I'm going to end this little short, that's the beautiful, but where you live, you've got views of the trees. Yes, you live in the country.
Yeah.
What is this? This is the plaster, it's pink.
Yeah.
It's pink, all right.
Yeah, that's what we call it really, is pink.
Oh, you call it pink?
Yeah.
Ah,
Because it dries pink, doesn't it?
Ah, right. What? Yes, logical. Right. I shall just take a picture. On the video, I'll do my tiles because they are absolutely... This is the before state of the walls after a toaster fire. Yeah, I mean, it's bad. And I mean, the man has got secrets of the trade that don't involve using chemicals, yes, because that could poison pets and that. This is the lounge that was done. It had new fireproof boarding and everything, and this is ready for painting now. And the kitchen diner there, but that's where the cat got hid under the pedals. Right, well, I'll end this video showing what a fantastic job a plasterer did that roofers couldn't manage on my porch tiles. Just look at that. I mean, it's fantastic. I mean, honestly, I mean, you know, I mean, I've got the before 3 times they tried it.
Yeah,
incredible.
The last people made a right mess of it, didn't they?
Oh yes. They were just annoyed because I wouldn't let them do the electrical works. They weren't qualified.
They just wanted more.
They just wanted more work from me. Anyway, I thank you, Dylan, and you're an expert electric trike rider too, and a cat finder.